Guys, afternoon, hope you're doing well. Guys, look at the weather. Look how it is very beautiful to enjoy this nature healing. Guys, you may not be having money, but get a day. Move out with your family. Those who are still struggling with being single, you can actually move out alone. Go enjoy the nature of God. Look at the environment. Look at the nature. Those who actually need therapy for their well-being, trust me, this is the best therapy ever.